3D sender configuration. Firstly, configure LED screen under 2D mode so as to ensure the normal display. Double-click to open LED vision. Click Control and select Screen Control. Click Detect Sender card and Detect Receiver card in Sender card setting so as to ensure the connection between sender card and receiver card. Setup Control Area. According to the properties of 3D video resources, double the screen width and the height remains unchanged. Suppose the screen resolution is 256 x 256, then the screen width is 512 and the height is 256. Click Apply. Click Screen Setting. Input the password 168. Click Connection Parameter. Suppose the resolution is 256 x 256, then the connection map of those 4 ports are as picture shown. Check the start point. Record the X and Y of every port, and the 3D control area will fill in the start points according to the parameters. Click Sending Device. Sender card resolution here suggests consistent with the computer resolution. Click the triangle from the right side to display Advanced. Click 3D Setting. Check Enable 3D. Click Phase Control in Video Parameters and select the corresponding items as video resources. As for the control area, you shall fill in the information according to the X and Y of every port. Right row start equals to the screen resolution plus the start point of that port. Here, A equals to 0 and 0, B equals to 0 and 256 plus 128, C equals to 128 and 0, D equals to 128, 0 and 256 plus 128. Click Save. That is the end of 3D configuration.